The story behind Slowpoke. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are diving deep into the fun and quirky world of English idioms. Did you know that understanding these idiomatic expressions can not only make you sound more native but also add some color to your conversations? One such expression is slowpoke. Curious about its meaning and usage? Let's unravel it together. Slowpoke is an informal term that refers to someone who moves or acts more slowly than others. Picture someone who's always the last to finish their work or the one who's lagging behind during a walk. It's not always used in a negative manner. It can sometimes be said in a teasing or playful way among friends or family. Example: come on, Slowpoke. We're going to be late for the movie. The term slowpoke can be broken down into two words, slow and poke. While slow is self-explanatory, the term poke here is an old slang term for a person or thing, which dates back to the early 19th century. So, a slowpoke is essentially a person who is slow. Its simplicity and imagery likely contributed to its popular usage in the English language. Knowing the meaning of an idiom isn't enough. It's important to know how to use it correctly. Here are a few examples to help. 1. Sarah is always the last to get ready. She's such a slowpoke. 2. I know I'm a slowpoke when it comes to reading, but I like to savor every word. 3. You need to hurry up, slowpoke, or we'll miss the beginning. Note: since slowpoke is an informal term, it's best used in casual settings or conversations, and not in formal contexts or writings. And there you have it. The next time you come across someone taking their sweet time, you'll know exactly what word to use. Remember, English is full of these delightful expressions, and understanding them will only make your language journey richer. We hope this video shed some light on the term slowpoke for you. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of the English language.